So you guys, this is how it looks like. I just added my pastry, and yeah guys, I hope you guys don't forget to like, subscribe to our YouTube channel. I just want to show you how crunchy and sound this is. Watch. So crunchy, guys. Taste. So good, guys. You guys better make this too. And welcome to the Maps Academy family. So you guys, today I'm gonna be making some stream rolls. First things first, I'm gonna wash my hand, and I'm gonna be washing my stream. I'm gonna be washing my streams with some vinegar, guys. Guys, this is how it looks like. I'm done washing it. I'm just gonna wash it one more time, and then I'm going to go to my mix. So you guys, I'm also gonna be wrapping it with some tissue. But first, let's take it off. Shoes just like inside the You guys, now for my favorite part, guys, I'm gonna be marinating, and this is very important. Of course, guys, I'm gonna be marinating my streams because my mom and dad is important. So first things first, let's go with our salts. Just a pinch of salt, guys. Now I'm gonna be going with our black pepper all around of the stream. Hey guys, now my favorite spicy, some pepper. Let's just put it all over streams like that. Now I'm gonna be putting inside our oregano. Let's put it all around of our streams, guys. Now I'm gonna be putting inside my garlic. Here it is. Now I'm gonna be putting inside my cayenne pepper. Now I'm going to be putting inside my Old Bay seasoning. That's enough. I'm going to be putting a little bit of our seasoning oil. Here it is, guys. And that's good. Hey guys, now I'm going to be putting inside my cornstarch. I'm going to be putting 1 scoop. And here I have my spoon. 3, 2, 1. Guys, make sure you guys marinate very well. This is a very important step to make all of the ingredients go inside the food or the thing that you're making. Hey guys, I already have my water inside my bowl. Now I'm going to be putting my cornstarch. I'm going to be putting it in 1 scoop. Let's mix, guys. So you guys see we have our roll. I'm going to be cutting it into a triangle. So you guys, I'm just chopping in my rolls. I'm going to be putting my other rolls on the side. And here's the one that I peeled off. I'm going to be putting it right here, guys. I'm going to start rolling. Hey guys, this is my last one and now let's do it. So you guys, now let's go fry. Come with us, let's go fry. I'm gonna put aside my vegetable oil. And the fries oil. So you guys, now I'm gonna be frying it. I'm gonna be letting the oil to get hot before. I'm so excited! I'm making this for my dad because my dad loves us so much. And also guys, it's my mom's birthday. We're gonna be going to the restaurant today. You guys stay tuned. I'm really like 24 because can you imagine? So you guys, my dad does IT, so if you guys want to do IT, just click the link below. And also guys, it's my mom's birthday, guys. I'm gonna go wash my hands before I talk. Let's do it, guys. First one. Yeah, this is how our streamer looks like. I just find it. Yeah. I'm gonna leave it for 3 minutes and then I flip it, so I'm just gonna cook it for 3 minutes. So that's gonna equal to 6 minutes. And you guys, look into that Sky Fox and YouTube channel was still my phone here, guys. And also, guys, this is optional. If you guys want sauce, it's optional for you guys. But I'm gonna be adding sauce to mine. So you guys, now I'm gonna be flipping it. Okay, just like that. So you guys, this is the onion sauce. Now I'm gonna be picking it up. So you guys, So you guys are going to be doing the same thing, 3 minutes, and then flip, 3 minutes, and then done, guys. And yeah, this is how our finished ones look like. And this is the one that is still going to get. Now let's go chop our pastry. Come with us. That's why. Do you guys realize I'm wearing a doing today? Let's chop our pastry. Hey guys, my pastry is done. Now let's go to the fire and see if it works. This looks so good. Look at this. Here's our stream rolls. So you guys, this is the end result. This is how it looks like. This is how our stream rolls looks like. And you guys, I also added this with some sauce. That's optional. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna be also adding some parsley. And yeah.
Time to eat. Is it time to eat, Susie, yet?
Guys, this is the end result. This is how it looks like. Looks so bomb, guys, and this is how our stream rolls looks like. And I also, guys, added with some sauce. That's optional. You guys don't have to add it. I'm gonna be praying, and yeah, guys, I'm gonna wash my hand, and I'm also gonna be putting inside my parsley. So first, let me wash my hands.
I'm going to the top.
So you guys, here we have our chopped parsley, and let's. So you guys, now I'm gonna be praying and eat. Amen. Amen. Lord bless this food, bless me, bless my family, bless my friends, bless my teachers, bless God, bless Jesus, bless everyone in this world, bless my friends, bless my teachers, bless all of the countries, bless me. Amen. I am blessed, I'm protected, God bless me, and may want to be alive forever. Amen. Now let's taste.
Susie, I don't put it inside. I have to eat it.
This is what those are made to me. Guys, look in the inside. There's literally streams inside. Guys, this is very, very, very good, guys, and healthy too. And guys, this is optional. You guys don't have to add sauce, but the sauce, I think you guys should add it. It's optional though. And by the way, guys, hope you guys have an amazing day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, happy birthday to my mom. This video also made to the end. Hope you guys have an amazing day. This is so good, guys. You guys better make this too. And happy birthday to my mom. Love you. And by the way, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Bye, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe.